The tongue has the power of life and death. And those who love it will eat its fruits. The words we speak are not mere utterances, they carry a lasting frequency within the ether. Often, we are negligent in our speech, not realizing its profound impact. However, our consistent spoken words play a vital role in shaping our state of being, serving as a mirror to our inner world. Unfortunately, many people are unaware of the power their words hold, casually saying things without considering their consequences. If one continuously speaks of poverty and helplessness, those very words permeate the ether, influencing the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind remains impartial to what we perceive as good or bad for ourselves, and it faithfully brings forth all that we express and believe to be true. Consequently, our spoken words hold immense power as they shape our reality. Neville Goddard's concept of the law of assumption forms the foundation of this principle. Unbeknownst to us, our spoken words unveil our unconscious assumptions, and these very assumptions materialize in our daily experiences. If we observe our words closely, we will witness how accurately they manifest into the world around us. Joseph Murphy once said, "As you sow in your subconscious mind, so shall you reap in your body and environment." Therefore, if one continuously speaks of weakness throughout the day, that very weakness will become prominent. Similarly, dwelling on lovelessness will attract more of it into one's life. Our subconscious mind operates without judgment, that role belongs to our conscious mind. Hence, when you express your desire not to be unhappy any longer, your subconscious attentively heeds your words and emotions. Now you might wonder, I desire happiness, yet why does my subconscious seem to bring forth more unhappiness? According to Neville Goddard, we manifest not what we want, but what we are. Instead of expressing, I don't want to be unhappy anymore, shift your words to affirmations like, I am blessed and happy, feeling wonderful. By doing so, you declare your current state of happiness, creating a distinct emotional foundation. Ultimately, your state of being plays a significant role in what manifests in your life. Speaking words of wealth and riches throughout the day alone won't suffice, genuine feelings of abundance are essential. When you cultivate gratitude for what you have and embrace a mindset of abundance, noticeable shift occurs in your speech. Complaints diminish, and a desire to express even more gratefulness arises. Therefore, it's prudent to observe your words and emotional connections throughout the day. This practice allows you to recognize your unconscious assumptions, which inevitably influence your life. Joking about negative aspects can have unintended effects on the subconscious mind. Self-deprecating humor, though seemingly amusing, can be unfavorable when considering its metaphysical implications. Every word that resonates within you holds significance and finds expression in some form sooner or later. In light of this metaphysical truth, complaining proves to be a detrimental activity. By complaining, you inadvertently give energy to the very things you're unhappy about, further solidifying them into your reality. This tendency becomes evident in unhappy couples who focus on complaints rather than understanding and love, leading them to a cycle of increased unhappiness. To improve this aspect, choose your words wisely and opt for powerful and uplifting language in your interactions with others and yourself. For instance, shift from, I hope I can win to, I trust that I will win, recognizing the subtle yet significant difference between hope and deep trust. Similarly, replace phrases like, I will try my best, with, I trust that I will do amazingly. By altering your words, you infuse life and positivity into your being, fostering joy and vitality. Such is the undeniable power of your spoken word. A person's words alone can reveal much about them, serving as a physical reflection of their inner state and an announcement to both the world and their subconscious mind, providing insight into their true self. Therefore, exercising caution in your speech becomes crucial. It's essential to align your inner conversation with the frequency of love, for it gradually shapes your outer communication. When you adopt a loving approach towards yourself and your desires during your inner dialogue, fostering compassion and self-love, you pave the way for your words to manifest into the ideal you envision. Over time, this alignment with love consistently yields positive and delightful outcomes. Your words hold significance and do not go unnoticed. Should you doubt their power, observe the conversations of various individuals in your life. You will witness a clear reflection of their words manifesting in their experiences. It's worth noting that conversations of those facing financial challenges often revolve around poverty and limitations, while those enjoying prosperity often focus on money and expansion. In acknowledging this, it's essential to avoid judgment towards any state of being. Whether in poverty or abundance, both individuals are equally significant as expressions of the essence of God. Their apparent differences stem from their respective states of mind, creating distinct worlds in their perception. To bring about positive change in their lives, individuals need to refine their inner conversation by adopting a different way of speaking and living within their inner world. Transformations can occur swiftly, resulting in observable changes in their external reality. As Hermes Trismegistus said, man is given the gift of speech and mind that makes him equal to the immortals. This profound truth suggests that our words possess an eternal nature, they linger in the ether indefinitely. Over time, the energy generated by our words accumulates within the collective consciousness, ultimately influencing the manifestation of events in the world around us. This extends to our personal lives as well, as the words we express actively shape our individual experiences. In this context, it is essential to recognize that you, as an individual, hold a timeless existence. Your words are akin to spells of magic, carrying immense power and influence. According to Hermes Trismegistus, understanding and mastering the correct use of speech and the mind can serve as a guiding force even beyond the physical realm, into the afterlife, leading us into the realm of gods. The enduring nature of speech and mind remains unchanged even when the physical body ceases to exist. This profound concept reminds us of the eternal impact our words can have, shaping not only our present reality but extending far beyond into realms unknown. Exercise caution and mindfulness in your speech, as doing so will yield enduring benefits from your choice of words. Our words have a profound impact, getting imprinted into the collective consciousness, and consequently, they can bring forth either distressing experiences or blessings into this world. If you speak negatively about the world, you inadvertently contribute to its worsening state, and likewise, if you speak unfavorably about your personal circumstances, you exacerbate them. Instead, awaken the eternal essence within you and wield its powers judiciously. Embrace words of love, and you will witness love's presence abundant in every facet of existence. Conversely, speaking words of hate will attract an atmosphere of discord and negativity in your life. It's crucial to recognize that this world mirrors our inner state of being. Within you lies the potential for the kingdom of heaven, not confined to any physical location but existing as a state of consciousness. As beings with immortal potential, we possess the extraordinary ability to materialize our imaginations. Empower yourself by elevating your consciousness, delving into the profound reality that lies dormant within. Awaken the immortal essence within you, and in doing so, you can contribute to transforming this world into a realm akin to heaven, not only for yourself but also for others. Approach your words with unwavering conviction, speaking with a touch of magic that manifests heaven on earth, creating a reality that aligns with your deepest desires. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.